Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 black screen problem. So to fix it, here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Once it opens, you wanna go to display. Now you wanna scroll a bit till you find graphics. Once you find graphics, you wanna click here, search list, and type in Forza Horizon 6. You wanna expand it, and then you wanna click here. It will be on like, let Windows decide, or power saving. You're going to put it to high performance. And once you enable that, you want to exit out of this. Go here, open an NVIDIA app, go to settings, go to system settings, and you want to click here. And then you want to disable the G-Sync if it's on. You want to make sure turn it off. Also, you can go here, settings, and disable the NVIDIA overlay. After you're done that, you want to obviously update the driver also, and you want to close if you have MSI Afterburner or any 3D program or RGB program or fan control or something. You want to disable all that and then relaunch the game and see if that helps and if the game works properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 black screen. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.